So I think I share the sense of what my co-presenters have said, and that is to really the key factor is identifying a need, identifying a problem. In my presentation, I call it identifying a pain point, something that is very difficult to do and everybody complains about it. And I think in health IT, there's still a lot of work to be done to make the systems easier, to make them more relevant, to make them more efficient with healthcare and more patient-oriented and more patient-centered. So I think the university can do their contributions by paying attention to, quite frankly, what are people complaining about and what are people saying, if only I had a solution that would solve this, we could do something else so much better. It's just listening to that customer base and listening to the commercial sector. Lots of opportunities in health IT. I think the field is still relatively young, so it has a lot of innovation that still needs to happen. So I think it's a great field for a lot of interactions with the university. Many universities themselves don't understand the technology portfolio that their faculty have been creating. They don't have a mechanism by which the faculty can bring forward descriptions that are written at a level that can be understood by others other than their own colleagues. And I think sort of universities need to do a better job themselves about how to organize their technology transfer offices and how to sort of link what the faculty are doing to the industry. Where I've seen it done very, very well is that significant resources go into this messaging. It's really messaging, why should you pay attention to the technologies that we have been creating? And again, what are the problems and the issues that these technologies and these results are trying to solve? And it takes marketing, it takes communications, it takes graphic artists, it takes a whole lot of skills that, quite frankly, again, you don't find in very many universities. So I'd say take a look at how you have organized your technology office and whether or not you have all of those skills, the marketing, communications, graphics, to be able to communicate and to be able to sort of articulate in a very accessible way that industry can sort of in a glance really understand what you have. You have two different kinds of personalities of researchers. There's the researcher that sort of sits in their office and does perhaps brilliant work and has no idea how to expose their work, and that person is the one that probably needs the most help from the university because they themselves simply don't have the skills to be able to do that kind of translation. There are other researchers who are much more outward and will sort of seek opportunities and seek conferences such as the one that we've just had to be able to present their work. They probably need less help. And I think the university needs to have a wide range of services that will enable the researchers to engage in the messaging of what they're doing at the level that works for their own personality.